naman ang sample dyan? Like, wait, first of all, why do you love Justin Bieber so much?
I don't know. 9 years old pa lang ako. Dead na ako sa kanya. Siguro una sa lahat because syempre, extremely talented at the age of 2. He learned how to play the drums. And sobrang galing niya. Kaliwat ko siya mag-guitar. Iba siya, iba. Sa lahat,
Iba talaga?
Kilala kong lalaki is the one.
So, na-heartbroken ko ba nung nabalitaan mo about him?
Oo! Sorry. Umiyak ako. Nalaman ko yun, nasa set ako ng Love You. Nakita ko, picture na, halika niya, pinost mo niya sa Instagram. How insensitive.
Okay, wait. So, since you're such a Justin Bieber fan, magbigay ka naman ng sample dyan. Kanta ka naman. Kahit Love Yourself.
Mamili kayo ng kanta ni Justin Bieber. Any songs?
Ano ba? Guys, request!
Sorry daw.
Sorry, go.
Okay. Is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now?
I love you! You're a singer pala eh. Ang galing mo kumanta. Album naman siya. Okay, so wait, going back to Everything About Her, would you guys care to share what the movie is all about?
Family.
It's about family?
Oo, na talagang medyo nagkakalamabuan. Pero hindi naman malabo kasi mangyari sa isang pamilya nyo. Hindi na nagkakausap siguro. Lambingan, kulang sa lambingan.
Parang yung story ni Miss Vilma and ni Mr. Sian, parang a relationship of a mother and a son na medyo hindi super close. And yung kay Miss Angel naman, yung family niya, dahil siya yung bumubuhay sa family niya. So, syempre maraming problems, dahil hindi nga sila sobrang yaman. And madaming obstacles. Tapos, nakilala pa na sila Miss Vilma na parang superior, na siya yung naging nurse. So, basta madaming pinupuntahan niya yung kwento na hindi lang siya puro drama. Hindi lang siya iyak lang ng iyak. No, kasi ang dami rin yung funny part. And yung family side, mabigat din yung problems ng family, pero yung mga scenes namin super cool na talaga.
How are you, diba?
Like family drama siya. Siguro ang common nila is yung long distance relationship nila. So, oo, yun. Parang kasing nawala yung mga communication nila sa isa't isa kasi sobrang busy yung nanay nag-OFW. Ganon. So, yun yung mga issues nila sa movie.
Actually, napanood ko nga yung trailer and it's a breath of fresh air from the usual love story that Filipinos love. And it's about family more than anything, no? So, yeah. Okay, tell us about a funny thing that happened on the set naman. But I mean, so it's very dramatic, but I'm pretty sure may mga funny times kayo sa set. So, what was it?
Sa akin siguro, may eksena na nagko-comedy ako tapos sila naka-overface sa akin. Awkward. Tapos biglang pagkatawa na kami. Nakakatuwa sa akin. Kasi, nakakatawa pala.
Ako naman yung cut na, parang break na, tapos biglang tinawag ako nung isa naming PA. Sabi, Alexa, tinatawag ko ni Direk. So, sobrang kinabahan ako. So, anong ginawa kong mali? Pagbaba ako, nagpaturo lang sa akin mag-twerk sila Ate Angel at si Direk Joyce. Sabi, turuan mo nga to sa Ate Angel mo mag-twerk. Tapos,
Kamusta naman siya mag-twerk?
Sexy.
Wow.
Abangan nyo yan. Never, hindi naman twerk na parang konting dance moves lang.
Sambol! 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 Wala,
Hindi ba sapat yung kanta?
Hindi.
Sayaw naman.
Dapat mo. Pakita mo na triple threat ka. Parang nag-concert ka.
Teka, hindi pa kasi tapos yung kwento ko. Hindi ko nasabi na hindi ko naman siya naturuan mag-twerk.
Okay.
Hindi ba pwede mag-twerk? Magagalit po si Mr. M. Ate Annie.
Hindi, sa'yo naman.
Siya pwede mag-twerk.
Hindi ako marunong sumayaw. Yung sa akin naman, yung sumayaw si Ate Angel, yun. Yung nag-walling siya, tapos sumasayaw siya, nakatalino.
Hindi mo akala nagagawin niya.
Natawa kami kasi hindi namin akalain naggagawin niya talaga sa
Kasi
scene.
akala namin rehearsal. Okay, sige.
Kasi si Direk Joyce talagang
Talaga nag-twerk ka.
Kasi ko, hala, hindi naman siya nagtutwerk. Parang
Konting
giling-giling. Gumigiling talaga siya. So, yung scene namin, parang hindi
Sobrang saya namin.
Oo, tapos andun pa si Buboy. And
Nice! It's so nice to hear. At tapos, ano pa nangyari?
tsaka yung scene na parang kumakain kami ng lava cake. Tapos hindi ko alam na madami pala akong chocolate sa bibig. So, nung dapat excited ako nung pumasok siya kasi parang may scene na good news. Oo, nung tinignan namin nung preview talaga, sabi ko, wala,
Ang daming
ganyan. Tapos yung ngipin ko punong-puno ng chocolate.
Totongiti ka pa naman.
Oo.
Grabe! It seems like you guys had a very, very fun set. So, I'm pretty sure you guys are happy or you're happy with the movie.
Yeah.
Now, invite everyone to watch everything about her. Like, when is it showing?
Ayan mga kapamilya, sana po panoorin niyo po ang Everything About Her. Showing na po yan sa January 27 at meron po kaming premiere night ng January 26 sa SM Mega Mall. At madami po kami yung mga mall shows ngayong January 23 sa Lucky Chinatown ng 3 p.m. at sa Glorieta, joke po, 5 p.m. Wait lang, take two. January 23, 3 p.m. Lucky Chinatown, and then 5 p.m. Star Mall Alabang. Na January 23 pa rin yun. And then January 24, Glorieta, 3 p.m., 5 p.m. Market.
International screening naman po namin sa Everything About Her, USA, January 29, Italy, January 31, France, January 31, Middle East, February 4,
At meron din po kami sa Canada, February 5, UK, Feb 6 and 7, Spain, Feb 7, Australia, New Zealand, Feb 11, and Singapore, February 21.
Wow! You guys are going worldwide with this. Excited ba kayo?
Oo naman, siyempre.
Okay, well, thank you guys so much for dropping by our show. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you, Jen.
Okay, and now let's get to our next music video. At number 5, here's Kala